Welcome to Tourlist, New Way to Life. In this video, we're going to explore one of Berlin's most iconic landmarks, the Brandenburg Gate. The Brandenburg Gate is a historic symbol of peace and unity. It's located in the heart of Berlin on Pariser Platz, right in the city's center. Built in the late 18th century by King Frederick William II of Prussia, the gate was initially named Peace Gate and was meant to symbolize peace among nations. However, during World War II, the gate was heavily damaged and later restored. Today, it stands as a powerful reminder of Berlin's turbulent history and its resilience. Every year, millions of visitors come to see the Brandenburg Gate. It's not just a tourist attraction, but also a place of political significance, often used in ceremonies and events. So, whether you're a history buff or just looking for a beautiful spot to take photos, the Brandenburg Gate is a must-visit in Berlin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Tourlist, New Way to Life for more exciting travel content. See you next time.